Welcome back to another video. Today, before I get into that, everybody do me a solid. Please subscribe to the channel. This is Joe of all trades, from vehicle maintenance, house repairs, light electrical, pretty much anything that we can do on our own. What we have planned today, I have a few customers that were interested in buying some banana pups. These are the ones that we're going to be transporting today. They're very healthy, and we're going to be transporting these today. I'm thinking probably this one, and maybe this one back here. So in all, we're going to transport 3 of these today. And from what I can gather, these are, from the information that I've seen so far online or whatnot, these are blue ice cream banana plants, I believe. You can kind of tell by the color of the leaf in the middle. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be transporting a couple of these today, and it's going to be a 15-minute trip. So hopefully the best thing to do is once we get them out the ground and everything, we're going to go ahead and hurry up about trying to get them transplanted so we can get them back in the ground and get them sturdy so they can start back growing. So that's what we're going to do now. We're going to start the process of, I guess, the relocation process. So, and as you can see, I have a plethora of banana plants. So we're going to take, like I said, we're going to take probably this one right here. We're going to take this one, and we're going to take this one, and this one has a new leaf coming out. So yeah, we're gonna, well, both of them have new leaves coming out, so we're going to be transporting these today. So everybody just stick with me, and like I said, if you like this content, planning and anything that has to do with a green thumb or whatnot, please hit that like and subscribe button, turn on those post notifications, and we're gonna get to it. So first off, guys, what we want to do is we want to try to get the cut of the bulb of the plant, which is connected to all of them. So we have to make sure we go down deep enough and cut that. So that's what we're going to do now. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to try to cut it. Hopefully the ground is not too hard. Yeah, let's try to do that right now. Okay, these are the new ones that's going to have a new home. So we're gonna hurry up and get these transplanted and transported. Like I said, we got about a 15-minute trip, so should be okay. And we'll hit you back as soon as we get to the location. All right, we got these babies ready for transport. Got them in a bag. So now we're going to the location. Location. We're about to pull up. Okay, they arrived safely at the location. We're gonna grab them. All right, y'all, this is the new home for one of the pups. Dug him a hole. Now we're just gonna cover him up a little bit. Yep, and we're gonna tuck him in so he can get him a little nap, because he had a long ride. So we're gonna give him a little cover so he could take a nap, so in a little while he can kind of wake up and get used to his new home. All right, voila, there he is. And just for extra measure, we're gonna till the ground that's around it. We'll till it up a little bit. That way his roots won't be struggling trying to find new places to water. So we'll cut you back. Guys, I decided to go ahead and we're gonna put another plant up here so he won't be alone by himself up here. So we're gonna put another plant right here. So what we're doing is we just kind of digging it out, trying to clear some of these little vines and branches that's in here already. So we're just trying to clear that out, and we'll get back to you.